What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Alex and I'm super excited because today we're going to be going through my step-by-step process, everything that I have done to grow my affiliate marketing business 100% every single month since I started. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial for all beginners for affiliate marketing. I'm going to go through everything that I've done, so at the end of this video you have a solid understanding of what you need to do in order to be successful. So if that sounds good to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I post content constantly about how to grow your affiliate marketing business, things that I'm doing, strategies that I'm using, so you can continue to see success yourself. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so as I said, this is going to be a step-by-step process. I encourage you to take a lot of notes because we're going to be going kind of fast. This is a lot of information to take in, but I'm going to do my best to accurately explain it for you. So like I said, take notes, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right in the computer right now. So the natural starting point would be, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products for a commission. Now here's a secret for you. The number one secret, as far as this is concerned, is to find products that are already selling, that people already want. So when you start promoting it, there's already a demand for it. So you don't have to start in a virgin market. You don't have to create a product of your own and hope that it just magically becomes successful. This product is already successful and it will essentially just sell itself. So the next question you may be asking is, why is affiliate marketing different? Why is it better than all the other ways to make money online? And I'll tell you. Affiliate marketing is great because it has a remarkably low barrier for entry as it relates to time and money required. As far as time is concerned, you only need to spend, in the very beginning, maybe 45 minutes to an hour out of your day on this business for it to be successful. If you spend 45 minutes to an hour a day on this, you will grow, I promise. Now the next thing is money. You don't need a lot of money to start this. There are some things that you'll need to invest in, like a website builder and email autoresponder, both of which I'll recommend, the ones that I use. In order to start affiliate marketing, all you really need to invest in is a course to learn how to do it quickly and effectively, a website builder to build out your sales funnel, which I'll show you in a second, and an email autoresponder to follow up with your leads that you get from your sales funnel, and I'll show you that as well. Another great thing is virtually no risk when it comes to affiliate marketing because you don't own any of the products. You don't have to worry about shipping. All you're simply doing is telling people about a product that you use and that you like and that you think will give some sort of value to them, and that's it. You are just simply marketing. That is it. You don't have to worry about any of the risk factors involved with drop shipping, Forex, and day trading, or anything like that. All you're doing is just simply marketing. That's it. Hey, thanks for watching. Sorry to interrupt the presentation, but if you're getting some sort of value out of this, click that subscribe button below, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell so you can continue to see whenever I put out content. All right, let's jump back in. Now, moving on to the website that I was telling you about. You only need 2 pages in affiliate marketing to do your job effectively. That is your opt-in page, which is simply to just collect emails, which I'll tell you why later on, and your bridge page, which essentially introduces and pre-sells the product to the customer who has already clicked in to your sales funnel and has shown some sort of interest in the product. So that's it. 2 pages. Now your funnel is going to look something like this. So you notice on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that there's traffic sources there: Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. And those are your organic sources. There's others like Instagram and Pinterest and a blog, something like that. But those are the 3 ones that I use, and I've found success with: Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. So what you're gonna do is, in those, you're gonna create content around the product that you're promoting, saying, hey, this product can help you in these ways. And if someone's interested in that, they will click the link in your bio and they will go to that first page on the right, to the right-hand side, which is your opt-in page. And as I said, your opt-in page is only meant to collect emails. And you'll see down below, you'll see it adds, whenever someone opts in, it adds them to a list, to your email list. And whenever that happens, you'll start sending them emails, 2 to 3 times a week, telling them about the product that you're promoting initially and other products that you recommend later on down the line. So the next page is going to be your bridge page or your thank you page, where you're going to introduce the product and you're going to essentially pre-sell, do some of the legwork that's done on the sales page. So again, you're just pre-selling, you're just saying, hey, this product can help you in these ways. If you are interested, click the button below where it says call to action, and then it'll go to the sales page. The sales page is done by the company that you're working with. You don't have to worry about the sales page at all. That's already done. So let's say someone navigates away from your bridge page because, for any number of reasons, you're going to keep sending them emails, like I said, 2 to 3 times a week, reminding them about the product and other products that you are also promoting. So some products that I promote are ClickFunnels, GetResponse. So ClickFunnels is where you build out websites. That's where I build out my websites, and GetResponse is the email autoresponder that I use. So both of those things have a monthly recurring charge that people pay. So if you promote those products in your emails and people buy those, then you earn a monthly commission whenever they pay. So there you go. So this is another secret that a lot of people neglect, and it's email marketing. And this is something that I've been finding out recently, that I've been leaving a lot of money on the table. So I've devoted a lot of time to email marketing, and I want to give this to you so you don't make the same mistake that I did. And if you're doubting this, let me just tell you that email marketing makes more money than any other kind of marketing by a wide margin, because you have a full devoted list. Like my email list is 2,000 people. I have 2,000 email addresses that I can talk to directly without any competition. So that is the value of email marketing. Just write that down. Email marketing is important. Please write it down. So here's kind of a template for a good email that people will open and most likely will click the link embedded inside. You want to have a strong headline, because if you think about it, if you get an email from somebody and the headline is just kind of wishy-washy, then you'll be like, nah, I can put this off until later. Whereas you want to have a headline that makes people want to click on it immediately. You want to really grab their attention with this headline so they want to click on it. So the next line, you want to have a question that's related to the headline. You want to have the headline that grabs their attention and the question that makes them want to read the rest of the email. So then you want to jump straight into the topic of your email and just talk about whatever it is that you're there to talk about. If you're talking about a product, then you want to talk about that product. Give them what the next bullet is. Give them a brief story about the product. Tell them how it helped you, because people don't want to use things that they aren't sure if they work. So if you give them a story, say, hey, this worked for me in this way, they can transpose themselves over you and say, hey, this might work for me. So then you want to introduce the product, and you want to tell them this product worked for me in these ways and it can work for you too. So you can kind of see we're going down and we're just helping people kind of knock off the barriers in their mind. Like, okay, I know this thing can help me because he told me it helped him in these ways. So then at the end, you want to include a nice strong call to action, like, hey, click this link if you want to achieve these results as well. There you go. That's a good strong call to action. And then the last thing you want to do is have a nice sign off, like, hey, thanks for reading the email. I'm here to answer any questions you may have. Cheers, Alex. That's generally my sign off. So you want to have that. And the last thing, super important, another huge secret that a lot of people neglect is do not neglect your email list. It is so important that you cultivate and maintain your email list, because that is where a lot of money is made. I'd say proportionally, 20% of money is made on the front end and 80% of money is made from promoting to your email list. So keep that in mind. So I know I told you I was going to tell you about the best program to learn how to do all this stuff. And that program is Legendary Marketer. I could not recommend Legendary Marketer highly enough. It is a program, it is the course that taught me how to do what I do and become extremely successful with it. Their flagship program is the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. And again, it's the course that I took to learn how to do what I do. If you're interested in taking that and learning more about everything that I've been talking about in this video, I'm going to put a link down below that you can click and you can sign up to take the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. Again, I could not recommend this course highly enough, because not only do you pay only $7 for the course, you also get a massive community that teaches you how to do all of these things. So Let's talk about traffic a little bit. All right, so the last secret with all this is harnessing the power of organic social media. I see a lot of people who just start out and they want to run ads because they think that's the most effective way to do things. When in reality, especially if you're a very beginner, you're going to end up wasting a lot of money running ads that probably don't work with not a whole lot of payoff. So you want to harness the power of organic traffic. And what I mean when I say that is TikTok, YouTube, your Facebook group, blogs, anything like that. Anything that you don't have to pay for is vital to use, especially in the very beginning, because you don't know what works with ads. So again, I could not say this strongly enough. If you're in the very beginning and you've never run a paid ad campaign before, don't. Stick with organic traffic. That's what I did, and that's what I'm seeing success with, as well as a myriad of other people who just run organic traffic and do really well with it. So that's my last secret. I hope you got some sort of value out of this. As I said, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you can continue to see whenever I put out content. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.